Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Zone YouTube channel. Here we study class 11th NCERT Chemistry chapter number 1, some basic concept of chemistry. In this chapter we already learned main points of chemistry, physical state of chemistry, classification of matter, law of chemical combination and many more topics. For those topics visit my YouTube channel and check the playlist. In this video we study percentage composition. What is percentage composition? Why percentage composition requirement of percentage composition for the information regarding the percentage of a particular element present in a compound. Why percentage composition required? For the information regarding the percentage of a particular element present in a compound. It means compound में जो elements present हैं उन elements का कितना composition है, कितना percentage है, such as for example water molecule. In this molecule we can calculate what is the composition of hydrogen molecule and what is the composition of oxygen molecule. For the calculation of percentage composition, here is the one formula: mass percentage of an element equal to mass of that element in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound. In water molecules, molar mass of water molecule is 18.02 and mass of hydrogen molecule mass of hydrogen atom 1.008 and mass of oxygen element, it's a element 16.00. Now we will calculate mass percentage of hydrogen element equal to 2 hydrogen present, 2 into 1.008 into molar mass of hydrogen element into 1000, its value into 100, its value 11.18 percentage. It means 11.18% hydrogen is present in water molecules. Now we can calculate mass percentage of oxygen. Here is only one oxygen present. Mass of oxygen 16.00 upon molar mass of water molecule 18.02 into 100 equal to its value 88.79%. It means 88.79% oxygen is present in water molecule. Here is another example. Second one is C2H2O OH. We calculate C2H2OH, C2H5OH. We can calculate mass percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Molar mass of ethanol. What is molar mass of ethanol? Two carbon molecules, two carbon element, atomic mass of carbon 12.01 plus 6 hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen atom 1.008 plus 1 oxygen 16.00. When we will calculate its value 46.068. Now mass percent of carbon element. Mass of carbon 12.01, 2 element is present, and divided by molar mass of ethanol 46.068, multiply 100, it will 52.14%. Mass percent of hydrogen 6.048, because of 6 hydrogen atom, divided by 46.068, molar mass of ethanol into 100, 13.13%. Next, mass percent of oxygen. Mass of oxygen molecule 6.00 divided by 46.068 into 100, its value 34.73%. Okay, from this mass percentage value we can calculate the empirical and molecular formula. How we calculate empirical and molecular formula we will study in next video. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.